SINFONIA Technology is celebrating its 100th anniversary in 2017. We will pass on our long history and tradition to generations of the future.
100年経っても変わらないものは、一歩先を行く技術へ挑戦する気持ち、いわば技術オリエンテッドへの情熱です。私たちの作り出す製品の中に今も生きています。
This is Toba in Mie Prefecture. This was the location of Toba Shipyard, and it was also the birthplace of SINFONIA Technology in 1917. Two people were involved in its founding. They were Minato Tsuji and Shuzo Odajima. These two individuals realized their dream and dedication to technology by building the foundations for technology-oriented growth, which has remained unchanged for 100 years. Minato Tsuji was born in Ogi of Saga Prefecture in 1876. After his family relocated to Sasebo in Nagasaki Prefecture, Tsuji spent his childhood watching ships come and go at the naval base nearby. Tsuji was enthralled by the ships and dreamed of becoming a sailor in the future. To realize this dream, he tried to enter the Imperial Japanese Naval Academy, but was forced to give up because of nearsightedness. So he studied in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Kyoto Imperial University instead. After graduating, Tsuji worked with ships as a technical engineer at the Ishikawajima Shipyard in Tokyo. Later, at the request of Kayamon Tamiya of Kobe Steel Limited, Tsuji joined Suzuki Shoten, a trading company in Kobe where he won recognition for his skills as an engineer. In 1916, he was assigned as director of Toba Shipyard, an affiliate of Suzuki Shoten. The following year, in 1917, Tsuji built an electrical machinery shop within the shipyard. This marked the founding of SINFONIA Technology. At that time, World War I had begun, and there was a serious shortage of ships and onboard electrical equipment all over the world. Tsuji attempted to resolve this problem by manufacturing the necessary electrical components in-house. What made Tsuji take on the challenges of breaking into this business at the dawn of the electrical equipment era? It was because Tsuji's wife came from a family of pioneers of Japan's electricity and telegraph technologies. Tsuji, an ambitious businessman once enthralled with ships, established a new business with big dreams for the electrical equipment industry. Some notes Tsuji wrote at that time still exist today.
This is a notebook kept by Tsuji while he carried out his research and development. He kept records in great detail. The notebook contains all kinds of data in surprisingly fine writing. I think Tsuji had the same attitude towards his work as he had towards his research as an engineer, carrying out thorough research.
Tsuji was a businessman with a deep understanding of technology, combined with boundless curiosity and a challenging spirit. His ideas were not limited to shipbuilding, but they extended to railways, energy, food, and other industries, leading him to expand into a variety of business fields. What Tsuji always strived in pursuit of was to make society better and more prosperous by resolving problems through technology. His ideas were bold and elaborate. Tsuji was a man of high ideals. Tsuji looked for talented engineers all over the country. He invited Shuzo Odajima, a graduate of the Department of Electrical Engineering at Kyoto Imperial University. He was a distinguished electrician at one of the leading electrical machinery manufacturers in Japan at that time. Odajima decided to join Toba Shipyard, much impressed by Tsuji's passion and dedication to his business, and above all, his character. Odajima started work at Toba on October 14, 1917, about 6 months after the company was founded. On the same day, a launching ceremony was held for Shibisan Maru, the first ship built by Toba Shipyard after its rebirth. Odajima's handwritten words remain to this day. I joined Toba Shipyard upon Minato Tsuji's request. I admired him most in my life. He was a warm-hearted and brilliant thinker. Minato Tsuji was the founder of Toba Electrical Machinery Works. We must not forget Minato Tsuji as long as Shinko Electric exists. A strong bond had formed between these two pioneers.
Odajima visited Minato Tsuji on his deathbed and also attended his funeral. Tsuji maintained close ties with Odajima until the very end. It was obvious that they had a long-term and intimate friendship.
Tsuji was the founding father, while Odajima was the foster father with a burning passion for technology. The two met, and their personalities were united as one, giving birth to diverse technologies. After Odajima was assigned as the head of the Toba Shipyard Electrical Engineering Division, he traveled to countries in Europe and North America for 18 months on an inspection tour with Tsuji's permission. Odajima felt the need to gain first-hand knowledge of not only the most advanced technologies in the world at that time, but also to learn about overseas societies and cultures. Odajima toured the most sophisticated production facilities of the time. What he found was that each company manufactured products that were unique. Odajima was deeply impressed and felt a pressing need for his own company to develop unique products using original technologies. Upon returning to Japan, Odajima acted on his insights. He developed a series of products including Japan's first battery-powered transporter. Above all, he used the knowledge he acquired overseas to finally succeed in developing Japan's first pot motor, a high-speed winding motor for use in rayon manufacturing, which had encountered a major problem during development. This succeeded in turning the electrical equipment business around after recording sustained losses. Improvements were made to the pot motor for several years after that, until its performance came to far surpass world standards. Odajima was acclaimed as a leading figure in boosting Japan's position in the world as the #1 rayon-producing country. This was the moment that SINFONIA Technology became a truly unique company as the result of the two founders' pursuit of technology-oriented growth.
創業時から変わらないチャレンジスピリット、そして技術オリエンテッドの情熱を持って、私たちはそれぞれの時代に人から宇宙までさまざまな製品を生み出してきました。創業100年を迎えた今、私たちはここから次の100年に向けて新たな一歩を踏み出すのです。